X and Y-intercept given a graph and the linear equation. The graph, another word, line is given in the graph. So, well, what is X-intercept and Y-intercept? So X, we see this is the form actually we would like to see ordered pair. So the X, we say A comma 0, that is X-intercept. And Y-intercept, we usually X is the center and of course Y is the B. So every time we see B, we 0 comma B, that means we are referring to Y-intercept. Now this one also I would like to note it down. This is our X and of course is 0 down here for the Y. And this one is 0 for X and B for Y. So we can actually put this down also the same way here. So this is X-axis and this is Y-axis. This is going to be our X and that is going to be our Y, and just we substituted the font right here. Let's look into few graphs. I have 4 graphs here, and this one is labeled and one is looks like going down, another going up, and have mix up. So this one is labeled and each grid treated as one direction. Whatever direction tells us, we have to follow that. So this one doesn't have any point. So well, how are we going to find? So we're going to treat each grid as a 1 and we go from the center to the right positive, center to the left is negative, and so on. So we're going to learn how to find the X and Y-intercept from both situations. So let's look into the first one here. So X-intercept. X-intercept is basically where is the X is connect. So this is the X, which is a 4. Again, this A is a 4, so I'm just going to put down 4 here, type 4 comma 0. That is going to be my X-intercept. And Y is 0 because Y is 0. Y is not going anywhere. So this is X is 4, but Y you're not going up and down. It's just in the point here. So this is X-intercept. Now, how do you look into our Y-intercept? Also same way, we look into the Y-intercept. So we're going to look into right here now, right on the Y-axis. So this is going to be our B. So we're going to say 3 comma 0. That's not correct absolutely. We're going to say 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3, because our X comes first. So X in this case is 0 in the center and Y goes up 3. So that is 0 comma 3. So this is how we find the Y-intercept here. Now let's take a look another one here on the right side. So we have both of them actually. We're going to look into the both of them. By now you already noticed that what should be here. So if you look into X-intercept, remember this is X line and is from the center to the left. So this is X intersecting is -3, -3 comma 0. That's the X-intercept. And Y-intercept is where point intersects. So it's 2, positive 2. So 0 comma positive 2. Usually we don't have to put down plus sign if that is positive. So that is how we find the Y-intercept and X-intercept. Now let's take a look on bottom 2. So well, how do we find X and Y-intercept? Let's take a look here. In this case we don't have any grid, so we go down here just on the center. So each of them, so this is X. If you look into X, we are not going to the right, we're going to the left. 1 2 3 4. So that is a 4 actually. So 4 is the X, so we actually have to type 4 comma 0. And again there is a little adjustment we have to do. This is 4 I typed in, but this is not a 4 actually, going negative side. So if to the right side, this is good. If this is negative side, so we have to adjust negative sign here. That's very important. And how do we find our X and how do we find our Y-intercept? So we go Y 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7, 0 comma 7, 0 comma 7. That's it down here. That's how we actually find up here. So in other words, whatever is the Y, we just gonna type it right here, and whatever is the X, we just type it right here. That's all. This is our X-intercept and Y-intercept. Every time we have a 0 in ordered pair, that means if one of them are 0, it's gonna be one kind of intercept. Either it's X-intercept or Y-intercept. If both of them are 0, it's gonna be just in the origin, just right here. Now let's take a look on the next one down here. So well, how do we find? It's the same way actually we find up here. So we look into this one here. So this is, I can even do this one. This is the Y-intercept. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it seems like that is a 10. So our Y-intercept is 10, 0 comma 10. This is Y-intercept is going up. Again, this point here 0 comma 10. Now we look into this first one here again. So how do you know this is? So basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh, this is also 10. So 10 comma 0. So both of them is, this is to the right positive, also to the up is positive. So this is it. It's simple. That's how we find X and Y-intercept given a graph paper, whether it is labeled or it is not labeled. Thank you.